Warning, this video contains spoilers for the June 2023 Archer & Olive subscription box, so if you don't want the surprise spoiled, then it's time to look away. If, like me though, you're a super curious person, let's have a look. In our previous video, we had a look at the A5 notebook with the "You Got This" emblem on the front. This one was a blue, white page doc grid notebook with 192 pages. In this video though, we have our next item, which is this, or a pack of Fineliners in an assortment of colours. Now we've already seen a Fineliner in the box, that one was black, but let's have a look at what colours these ones are. Opening it up, and the tops of the caps give it away instantly. We have a grey, a magenta, a red, yellow and green. Just like the black pen, these have a matte finish barrel, while the top of the cap and the base of the pen are a little bit more shiny. And each of these has a 0.4mm nib. The pens don't have colour names on the barrel, but we might receive a blog post at some point from Archer & Olive telling us what the actual colour names are. But for now, I'm just going to refer to these as their regular colour descriptions of grey, magenta, red, yellow and green. The closest match in terms of item that I have in my stash would be the Staedtler Tri Plus Fineliners, so I also did a little swatch of those beside the Archer & Olive Fineliners. While I could find pretty good colour matches for the red, yellow and the green, even though the green's a little bit different, finding one for the grey and the magenta was a little bit more challenging. It's also good to note that my Staedtler Tri Plus Fineliners have notably been used more, so they're a little bit more blunt compared to our new Fineliner pens. Combining the 5-pack of Fineliners with the 2 pens in the journaling pen set, that gives us 7 pens at least to look forward to. I'd love to know though, with regards to the pens we've seen so far, are you more excited about the Fineliners or the black Calligraph? I know what my opinion is, but I want to hear about what you think. This is another set of pens that I'm going to need to go and add to my swatching, so if you wanted to check out previous swatching videos, then this playlist is for you. Or if you wanted to see more video content for the sub box, then that playlist is the one to check out. Click or tap on either of those and I'll see you over there.